Hello, good evening to all. Turn on the camera. We'll start the class.
हम्म।
Everyone turn on the camera. क्या भाई जुड़ना नहीं है? घुसो मीटिंग घुसो चालू हो गई कब की? हाँ, अंदर से करो. Okay, guys. Good evening to all. A very good evening.
Good evening, sir.
So, shall we start the class?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening to all. So, we'll start the class. Yes. Now, I need your doubt, guys. Quickly tell me your doubts, please.
Sir, I have a doubt in question number 15 and a little bit doubt in 14.
15 and 13.
14, sir.
14 and 15, no?
Sir, same doubt, same.
Nine. Okay. 9.1 plus 10. You have a doubt in 14 and 15 both, na?
Yeah, sir, same doubt.
Okay.
Sir, question number 15 I got.
You got 15? Very good. So it is given that um, a straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car. Angle of depression is 30 degree, which is approaching towards the foot of the tower with uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car becomes is found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken to reach to the foot of the tower from this point. Okay. So basically, a man is standing. A man standing on the top of the tower. So, for example, this is the tower. Okay, and because man height is not given, so we'll take it as a point size. Are you with me? We'll take man as point size. Okay. So first it was 30 degree. Like for example, this one is 30 degree, and then it becomes 60 degree. After how many minutes? After 6 seconds. Okay. So this is after 6 seconds. So yesterday we did aeroplane one, no? It's gonna be same like that. Okay. So we know that we have the triangle here. For example, see. So which two triangle we will take? We will take triangle ABD and triangle ABC. Did you understand? We take these two triangles. So in triangle ABC. So we know that theta is 60 degree. Okay, and anything else is given? We don't have any value. Just we know that it is 6 seconds. That is the meaning, and uniform speed is there. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Sir,
So
what did you
let
write
the
between C and D?
6 seconds, like 6 seconds. No, no, not this. Yeah, yeah, that's correct. No. For example, the car first it is found at 30 degree. Then after 6 seconds, because it is coming towards the tower, so after 6 seconds it covers and it becomes the angle 60 degree. Do you understand? Okay. So first we will take out the theta, which is 60 degree. So in triangle ABC, and what is another triangle you will take? Guys, tell me quickly. Which another triangle you will take?
ABD.
ABD. Very good. So in triangle ABD. So here we have theta is 30 degree. Did you understand? Huh? So now we have here perpendicular, which is height, and BC, uh and BC distance as a base. So in this case, theta is equals to, sorry, not theta, tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base. So tan theta means tan 60. Tan 60 will gonna be perpendicular, which is h, upon base, which is BC. So it becomes root 3 is equals to h upon BC. So BC gonna be h upon root 3. Did you understand what I'm doing, guys?
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
So I got BC this much distance. Godwin, ask me, Godwin. You didn't understand anything. Godwin, did you understand? Hello, Godwin. Can you hear me? Did you understand what I
Yes,
did
yes,
here?
yes, yes. BC, I get.
So I got the BC distance, the length, which is h root 3 upon. Did you understand, Godwin? No.
Yes, yes. BC
Okay.
356 root
So
3. Yes.
now can you help me in triangle ABD?
Hmm.
What is given? Theta is
Theta is
30
30.
and perpendicular is same as h. And what is the
Yes.
base in this case? Base is BD.
BD and tan 30 is equal to
Yes, very good. So it will become tan 30 is equals to perpendicular upon
3
base.
by AD.
So it will
Yes,
become
1
1
by
upon
root
root
3
3
is equal to H by B.
h by
H
BD,
by
no?
B, BD, BD.
Because this is the full distance, no? So here
Yes.
BD is equals to h
H
root.
root 3.
Now, listen guys. So now we will find the speed of the car. Now we will find the speed of a car. Now, what is the formula of speed of a car? Distance upon time.
Yes.
Yes.
But in this case, the time is given, which is 6 seconds. But
Yes.
distance CD is missing, no? CD distance is missing, no? Are you getting this? No.
Ah.
So how will you calculate CD distance? Can you tell me? How will you
Speed
calculate CD distance?
into time.
Sir, BC plus BD.
Yes. See, we know that BD, this whole BD, if I will subtract BC, I will get CD. Did you understand?
Hmm.
So BD, so if you want to calculate CD is equals to BD minus BC. Kunal, are you getting this? Turn on your camera, please.
Sir,
Did
3
you
seconds
understand?
right answer.
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
What? What? What, Godwin?
No, sir, no, sir. I got.
Okay. So CD gonna be 3 root 3h
Sir,
minus. Yes.
sir is the answer 3 seconds.
We'll check it out. We'll check it out. 2 root 3h upon 3. This is the CD distance.
Hmm.
Did you understand, guys? No.
Hmm.
Now, who did understand? Kunal, Sammy, did you understand how I got CDS 2 root 3 by 3?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
if I will get the speed of a car, so it's gonna be 2 root 3 by 3 into 6. 2 ones are 2 threes are. It will become root 3. No, where is h? H will also be there. Root 3h by 9. This is the speed of the car. Are you getting this? How I solve this, Deepika? Godwin?
Yes.
I got the CD distance, which is 2 root 3 by 3h. I just put the value into this. And when I solve it, I got the answer as root 3h by 9. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I have to calculate the time. What is the formula of time?
Time is equal to
Distance upon
1 by
speed.
T.
Now what is the distance of this time we have to calculate, na?
Yes,
So what is the distance of this h root 3 by 3? H
yes.
root 3 by 3 divided by, this is a divide sign, root 3h by 9. Did you understand what I did? No.
Yes, sir.
See, this is the distance. And what is the distance? The distance is BC distance. Okay. BC distance is h root 3 by 3 divide sign. This is a divide sign, no? Divided by the speed. The speed is root 3h by 9. So if I will solve it, it become root 3h by 3 multiply by 9 by root 3h. This and this will cut. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So our
3
answer is
seconds.
3 seconds. Yes. The time is 3 seconds. Did you understand? Kunal,
Yes,
Sammy,
sir.
Ritika,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Godwin. So in this we don't have value, but still we are
Yes,
able
sir.
to find it out. This is a good question. Amar,
Hmm.
got it? Write it down quickly. Godwin, did you understand beta? No.
Yes, sir, I understood this question.
Okay. And you have completed the coordinate geometry chapter? Sorry, not AP chapter?
Yes, sir. About to complete. Last part left. I did
So,
questions. Now
uh,
I have to do more and more questions.
so I will send you the questions then. AP
Yes,
questions I will send you.
yes.
Okay. Okay. So we have second Saturday this week. So who has holiday of second Saturday?
Sir, me, sir.
Sir, me.
Okay. Okay. Amar, Komunal, Gritika, you
Sir,
have guys?
half day.
Yes, sir. I have.
Half. And Godwin, what about you? Full day or half day?
Sir, I am free.
Mera holiday is there, no?
Yes.
Okay. So by what time you guys come? Amar and Gritika?
One.
One you come at home or one you have a uh,
One at
school
home.
timing? One at home. And Gitika, what about you?
Sir, 12:30.
12:30 you used to. So shall I keep my class at 2:30?
सर 2 o'clock कर दो ना.
Sir,
अमर के
Yes.
लिए
anything
प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा.
after
Sir, 2
12
to
p.m.
3.
2 to
सर
3,
2 to
okay.
3 कर
Hmm.
दो सर.
But for Amar then?
चलेगा चलेगा.
Okay. Okay. And Kunal, what are you saying?
Sir, anytime after 12 p.m.
Anytime after 20. Okay, no problem. Okay, done. Did you understand this question? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 14 question you want to do? Or you want to try? Tell me, Godwin. You want to do
सर
14
कर
question
दो
or you
आप
want to give
बोर्ड
it
पे
to me?
कर दो सर. बोर्ड पे कर दो प्लीज.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, sir. 14 question I have doubt.
You have doubt in 14 question? Okay.
Sir, I have doubt in for solving parts. I understood the question, but
Okay, okay. So a girl height is given, which is 1.2. So you can see that this is 1.2. So I'll write here it is 1.2. This much is 1.2. Okay. So a girl height 1.2 spots a balloon moving, moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 from the ground. So basically this will be how much? 87 meter. Are you with me guys? Hmm?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Then Then elevation from the ground. The angle of elevation towards the eye instant was like it was first
Sir, why you
60 and
took 88.2 meter 87?
see this height is girl's height, no? This is girl, this height, and it is given as 1.2. So the total is 1.2, 88.2. I subtracted 1.2, so I got 87 meter. Did you understand? Then
Yes.
after some time the angle become this. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during. So means we have to find this distance. So if I will make a diagram for you, see even the diagram is given, but
Yes,
still
sir.
you have to make the diagram
Huh? Sir, why?
because the diagram is very important. You will get marks for that.
Sir, so if you don't know the answer, if you simply draw the diagram, we will get marks.
Yes, if teacher is in good mood, there is no like fight with his wife, then he will give you good marks.
Sir, in this question, the diagram is given, so we just need to make diagram to label.
Yeah, label A, B, C, D, E, F like that. So this is my A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. So now I know some value. This value is 87 meter. Okay. And anything else? This one is 1.2 meter. And what we have to find? We have to find the distance traveled by the balloon during the inflating. Means how much distance travel? So like this distance is travel. So we have to find DE distance. DE distance here. So obviously which two triangle we will take? Godwin, Kunal. Kunal, turn on the camera beta. What happened today? Sammy, turn on the camera. Okay. So tell me, Kunal, which two triangle you will take?
Sir, triangle ABD and triangle GBE.
Triangle ABD and triangle GEB. So, Sammy, what is given in what? What? Quickly tell me.
Sir, AD is equals to 87 meter. Theta
ABD is equals to
AD AD is equals to
AD.
87 meter. 87
Correct,
meter
correct. Yes,
theta हो गया
yes.
60 डिग्री.
Yeah. The perpendicular is 87 meter and
Theta
theta
is 66.
is 60 degree and base you have to find.
Hmm.
So, which formula you will use? 10. So, 10 60 degree is equals to perpendicular upon base. 10 60 formula is root 3. B is 87 by B. So, B is gonna be 87 upon root 3. Then obviously rationalization is there. So B gonna be 87 root 3 by 3. I will cut the table of 3. So it will become 27, 28, 29. So B gonna be 29 root 3 meter. Did you understand? Ritika, Amar, Godwin. Still any problem? Now in triangle GEB. What is theta, Amar? In triangle GEB?
30.
Okay. And what is base?
पूरे का
Base will be E, no?
BE.
And what is perpendicular? GE.
Perpendicular 87.
Yes, yes.
हाँ.
Yes, Godwin.
Your network issues, I left the meeting.
Okay, okay. So basically, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Just give me a second. Now
Yes.
listen. So first we took this triangle ABD. This triangle we took. Yes. So in this we have this AD, which is how much? 87. Like this is equal to this now. And we have to find this BD base. So perpendicular is 87, theta is 60 degree. I solved it. I got the answer as 29 root 3. Did you understand, Godwin? So this base is 29 root 3. Ask me beta if you have doubt.
This it is.
Hmm?
Sir, I didn't understand how you draw the diagram.
How I draw the diagram? I just draw this diagram. Like this is the point, this is the point. This is the girl, like this is the girl. And the height of the girl, I
Okay.
took this. And then this point is this point is this, like that. I just
Sir,
remove the picture and I take it as a point. Yes.
sir, from 8, sir, you got
Hmm.
87 by subtracting 1.2.
Which part? Ah, 87 I got. Like for example, this whole is 88.2, na? So if I will
Yes.
subtract 1.2 from it, I will get 87, which is the height of this.
Okay.
Okay. Now we will use what? 10. So tan 30 degree is equals to perpendicular upon base. So tan 30, theta is how much? Theta is 30. Okay. Perpendicular. Okay, I will write it down everything. Base is 1 by root 3.
Sir, we have
Perpendicular
to
is.
find DE.
Yes, D. We have to find DE. So first we are finding BE.
Okay, sir.
So BE will be 87 root 3. Got it? Now because we have to find DE, which is equals to the big side, which is BE minus BD. So DE is equals to BE, which is 87 root 3 minus BD, which is 29 root 3. So DE gonna be how much? 56. No, 58. 58 root 3. Did you understand, Gitika? No.
Sir, B is given.
BE just now we found, na? This whole side BE.
अच्छा.
BE अभी हमने फाइंड आउट किया. BD हमने फाइंड आउट किया. इन दोनों को सेपरेट किया तो DE मिल गया.
Yes, sir.
Sammy, did you understand? Godwin, Amar, did you understand?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or
Yes, sir.
no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Kunal, you didn't understand?
Sir, I got it, sir.
Got it? Okay. Anybody else? Okay, so we have completed the NCRT session of the application to trigonometry. Now,
Sir,
yes,
sir, the value of D is 100.45 meter.
okay, okay,
Sir, my half yearly is starting on 19 September.
okay. Guys, we have to start that the trigonometric questions again. Okay.
Sir, आज साइंस करा दो ना प्लीज.
Why? Okay, we'll do the last question, then we'll do the science. Okay. Write it down this last question with me, and this is an important question. Turn on your camera, everyone. the angle of elevation of ground from point. Write it down the question with me.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it is cloud, right?
Yes, cloud.
So 60 meter above or 68 meter above?
60, 60. Okay, guys. Now, will you give a try to make a diagram? I want you to make diagram.
Yes.
Like, just give it a try. If you didn't understand, then I'm there to help you. But just give it a try and show it to me. I will give you 2 minutes to make the diagram. Try to make it. If you not get it, it's not problem. But if you get it, then it's very good. This is the question. I will read the question, then you give it a try. The angle of elevation of a cloud, okay, of a cloud from a point 60 meter above the lake. So basically, there is a lake, and above the point 60 meter, and from that 60-meter point, if they see the cloud, it makes 30 degree. And the angle of depression of the reflection of the cloud is 60 degrees. So, like inside the lake, we know that when you will see on the lake, we get the reflection for that. The reflection of that cloud is 60 degree. Find the height of the cloud. Try to make it. Whatever you able to do it, just try to make a diagram for that.
सर आई हैव अ डाउट, ये जो हाइट ऑफ द क्लाउड है वो अपन को नीचे से लेक से माननी है, फिर वो अबव 30 डिग्री वाला उससे?
नहीं, हाइट ऑफ द
हेलो
क्लाउड तो पूरा लेक से होगा ना. Yes, who got it? Kritika, you got it?
सर 1 मिनट भी नहीं हुआ है,
Uh,
1 मिनट तो रुक जाओ।
Sir, I do it, but I not sure that it's.
um, show it me again. No, little less. Write the values. The
सर मेरे
values are
को
not
मैं
written.
दिखाऊं? सर मैं दिखाऊं?
Write proper values. Yes. Write the values. The values are not given. Write the values. Uh, Semi, values लिखो कौन सा कितना मीटर है कौन सा हाइट है प्रॉपर लग तो सही रहा है मुझे सेमी का अगर वैल्यूज सही लिखा तो इफ द वैल्यूज आर करेक्ट देन योर डायग्राम इज करेक्ट Sam, Godwin, are you there? Kunal,
Yes, I'm
you got
there, sir.
you got a diagram.
Doing it.
Do it quickly. Amar, diagram. Last 1 minute.
Sir, diagram, sir.
No, no, wrong. Kunal. Reflection. Okay, no problem. Good try. Godwin, what about you? Sammy, final.
About to be over.
Um, mm, I guess it's not correct. The values you wrote, it's not correct. Sammy, can you hear me, Sammy?
हेलो सर
The the value that you wrote, it's not correct. Okay, we got Amar's also. Amar values are not there. Okay, everyone did a good try. Very good try. Okay, now I'll show you the diagram, and like everyone is very near to it, except Kunal. Okay, so for example, this is a lake. Okay, this is a lake, and this is a point which is 60 meter away from the lake. This is 60 meter away from the lake, and there is a cloud. For example, this is a cloud, and
Sir, can
when
you
this
repeat?
point,
Sir,
so for example, this is a lake, and this is the point which is 60 meter above the lake. It is said now that point above 60 meter from a lake. Did you understand, Godwin?
yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
yes, yes.
this point makes an angle 630 degree with the cloud.
30 degree.
So it gonna be look like this. This angle is 30 degree. This is 60, and this is the x. Okay, x is the like how like after above the 60 meters, what is the height of the cloud? Did you understand? Say yes or
Yes,
no. Now
yes.
we have the reflection of the cloud inside the lake. Inside the lake, there is a reflection of a cloud, which will be again it will be 60 plus x. Why 60 plus x? Because we know that in reflection the distance is equal, na? So this is 60 plus x from above the lake. Then below the lake will also be 60 plus x. And that reflection, when it is made angle of depression, it makes 60 degrees.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, I didn't understand, sir. Why you took one triangle down?
Because what is the question is saying? And the angle of diffraction of the reflection of a cloud. So, for example, this is the cloud and this is the reflection inside the lake. And we know that in reflection, the distance between the object and the mirror and the object, they both are equal.
Equal.
So if this is 60 plus x, then this will be 60 plus x again. Did you understand? No.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
So the text I
Now,
didn't understand the X.
x is the height above the 60 meter to the cloud.
Hmm.
This is the
Yes, sir,
x height
understood.
which is above the 60 meter to the cloud. We have to find height of the cloud, means we have to find 60 plus x value. Simple as that. Okay. Now I will write it down in a normal way. Gitika, did you got it?
Yes, sir.
This is A, B, C, or D. Okay. And
Sir, I
this
have a
one
doubt.
is, yes.
Sir, we doesn't don't know the depth of the water, so how can we draw that reflection?
We don't know the depth of the water.
Yes, sir. Means we don't know how much we can go after.
So reflection work based on the thickness of the mirror? Like for example, if you are standing in front of mirror which is 30-meter apart, like far away from it, so will the mirror be also 30-meter wide? No, no. Mirror will be just like glass piece with a silver plate. So the image which is in the mirror, it will be 30-meter apart. Like you are standing away from the mirror. It's the same like a lake also. Lake is also a mirror, na? Got
Yes,
it?
sir.
समझ में
Got
आया
it.
जो मैंने बोला?
हाँ सर.
ओके. सो वो फिर उससे डेप्थ से कोई मतलब नहीं, भले वो पतला सा एक लाइन क्यों ना. Okay.
Yes.
So we have these values. This is 30 meter and this one is 60 meter. Now, Godwin, please unmute your mic and tell me which two triangle you will take.
Yes, sir. In this we can take a. Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, sir. In this we can take triangle ABC and triangle ABD.
A, B, C you want to take and triangle ABD. ABD, what is the right angle? In ABD, what is the right triangle?
Um, DBC.
सर BCD लेंगे सर.
Ah, DBC. DBC, correct.
DB.
DBC in triangle DBC. Okay. So
Sir,
when
why other
theta,
triangle also?
like we need two right angle triangle with the common base, no? So
Oh,
here we
okay.
have two right angle triangle with the common. This BC is the common. Okay.
So it's the same thing, right? Other triangle also.
Yeah, same thing. It's nothing different in there. And the height it will be x. Okay. So 10, 30 is equals to this will be perpendicular, not height. Perpendicular means x upon BC. So BC is equals to x root 3 meter. Did you understand, guys? Did you understand? Turn on your camera,
Yes,
everyone.
sir. Yes.
Amar, Kritika, Kunal. Quickly turn on your camera. Don't turn off your camera, please. So now we have theta is 60 degree and perpendicular will be what? What will be the perpendicular? The perpendicular will be 60 plus 60 plus x. Did you understand, Godwin? Like in this triangle we are talking about. So if in this triangle we are talking about, we take 60 plus 60 plus x. So it will become 120 plus x. Did you understand? No. Amar. Hmm? Kunal? Godwin? Did you understand? Why I took
Yes, sir.
120
Yeah.
plus x? Yes,
Can
Godwin.
you again repeat that part? Not getting well.
See, this now which triangle we are taking? We are taking B
B.
C B D.
Sir, can
This triangle? Yes.
ये रहने दो.
Okay, we are taking this triangle C B D. Can you see this, Godwin? So what is the
Yes, yes.
height? It will be 60
Height is 60
plus
and
60
60.
plus x. So 60 plus 60 is 120 plus x. I wrote it like this. And the base will be BC.
So,
Okay. So now it will become tan 60, which is gonna be perpendicular upon base. Tan 60
so how
value
much
is root.
mark for this question will be some 3 to 5 marks, right?
Yes, yes. 120 plus x upon base is BC. So BC is equals to 120 plus x by root 3. Now this equation is also equals to BC. This equation is also equals to BC. Can I equate them?
Yes,
So what it will become? It will become x root 3
base root
equals
3
to
into 120.
120 plus x upon root 3. This will go that side, it will multiply. So x into root 3 into root 3 will become 3x
3,
is
yes.
equals to 120 plus x. So 2x is equals to 120. X
60.
is equals to 60. Yes. Did you understand, guys, how to solve this?
Yes.
Yes.
Amar, God, Kunal, Sammy, did you understand? Say yes or no.
Yes or no? सर सुनो.
Yes.
हेलो. एक्स की वैल्यू अपने निकल गई तो अभी अपन को सब में पुट करना है ना.
Hmm. Yes. So basically,
हाँ ठीक.
like if I will calculate the height, so height of
तो
a
सर
cloud,
लेक से क्लाउड की हाइट 120 मीटर है.
yes, it will be 120 meter because x plus 60 is there. So x plus 60 means 60 plus 60, which will be 120 meter. Guys, did you understand? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
सर अगर अपन को
Hmm.
बोले कि रिफ्लेक्शन से क्लाउड की हाइट रियल वर्चुअल क्लाउड से लेके रियल क्लाउड की हाइट निकालो.
So 240.
लाइक 2x प्लस 2 इंटू 60.
नहीं ये हो
Yes.
गया 120, ये हो गया 120, 120 plus 120 240.
हाँ ठीक है.
Guys, did you understand? Say yes or no.
सर
सर
Yes.
यस
Yes.
साइंस करा दो. साइंस करा
सर
दो.
Yes,
हाइट
yes.
तो ये लेक से निकालेंगे ना.
हाँ हाँ. तो लेक से तो निकाला बेटा। देखो लेक से इतना तो हो गया 60
हाँ सर।
और इतना और हो गया 60।
हम्म।
तो 60 और 60 कितना हो जाएगा?
120।
तो इसलिए 120 लिखा ना बेटा। यस।
सर साइड में देखा नहीं था सर, उससे पहले पूछ लिया मैंने।
Godwin, did you understand? Say yes or no.
Okay.
Yes.
सर ब्रेक।
No break. No break.
अरे
Quickly take out. Only 20 minutes we have. Quickly, quickly take out.
Sir,
सर
Take
break
2 मिनट
out.
से
ब्रेक,
भाई
2 मिनट।
Okay, 2 minutes. Come back in 35. We'll start the class. Quickly come back in 35.
sir, for this answer is 60, right? The honors
The height of the cloud they are asking us. So height is 120.
or 60 plus 60.
Yeah. Okay, guys, come back. Quickly, quickly come back. We are not having too
यस
much.
सर, यस।
अरे
So
पैंतीस
what is
तो
the last? What is the last
ट्विंकलिंग
topic
ऑफ
that we
स्टार्स,
did?
ट्विंकलिंग ऑफ स्टार्स।
And I guess I have explained the this thing, twinkling on stars, why planet do not twinkle. This thing, this
कोई नहीं
यस सर,
phenomenon.
आपने पूरा एक्सप्लेन कर दिया था, आपको बस लिखवाना है भर
नल्लीफाई
भर
नल्लीफाई
के।
Okay, okay. So I will send you the notes to write it down. Is it okay?
यस सर।
अरे
सुप्रे, नो सर, नो सर।
Okay, then write it
सर
down.
लिख लेंगे सर, सेमी की बात मत सुनो।
अरे
अरे फ्री रहता होगा तू, काम होता है।
कुछ फ्री नहीं रहता, पूरे दिन टाइम निकालने में निकल जाते, 4 घंटे एकेडमी जाता हूँ।
हाँ तो सर बस पढ़ा लो, उसी उसमें ही लिखवा लो बस, ठीक है।
मैं लिखवाऊंगा तो जरूर। लिखवाऊंगा तो
हैंड्स
जरूर। फिर
प्रूव्ड
लिखो।
सर।
Okay, write it down with me now.
Sir, 1 minute.
So we were at twinkling of stars, na? We wrote twinkling of star, or we have to start twinkling of star. Ritika?
सर
हाँ.
मैंने प्रेस बायोपिया तक लिखा हुआ है,
Congratulations.
उसके आगे कितना बाकी है सर?
सैमी आज नोट भेज देगा, उसको देखने लिखना एक बार ना।
ओके सर।
हाँ. Yes, Ritika.
The twinkling of stars लिखना है।
Okay, write it down then. The twinkling of star is due to
Sir, what is the
at
heading? Heading?
heading was twinkling of star. The last part that we
Oh,
left
last
is twinkling
question.
of star. Huh? And then I explained why star twinkle, why planets do not twinkle like this. So we will start the twinkling of star now. Now quickly, quickly write it down. You have to speed your handwriting. Okay. Turn on your camera, Kunal, Amar. Quickly. Amar, turn on your camera. Write it down. The twinkling of star. कुणाल 2 पेज छोड़ देना. The twinkling of star.
सर मैं तो पीछे लिख रहा हूँ, बाद में लिख लूंगा।
दो पेज छोड़ के आगे लिखो फटाफट, एक ही नोट्स
सर
कॉपी रहेगा ना।
छोटी नोटबुक है सर, A4 वाली नहीं है।
अच्छा अच्छा। द ट्विंकलिंग ऑफ स्टार इज ड्यू टू।
सर 4 पेज का
हाँ
बोलो उसको, 4 पेज का, 4 पेज छोड़ने का।
हाँ, 4 पेज छोड़ दो फिर। राइट डाउन। द ट्विंकलिंग ऑफ स्टार इज ड्यू टू atmospheric refraction of starlight. The twinkling of star is due to atmospheric refraction of starlight. As
A starlight, then us.
hmm, as the light from the stars, as the light from the star enters the earth atmosphere, enters the earth atmosphere, it goes
Enters
multi
the
earth atmosphere, earth
सर
atmosphere,
एस के बाद क्या है?
as the light from the star, as the light from the stars enters the earth atmosphere, it goes multiple refraction,
it goes multiple reflection.
multiple reflection due to due to
Refraction.
different refraction. Then after that, due to difference in the density of air, due to difference in the density of air at various altitude, at various altitude. The continuously, comma, then write the
Continuation,
continuous,
right, sir?
yeah, the continuously changing of atmosphere. Amma turn in camera. The continuously changing of atmosphere, the continuously changing of atmosphere refracts the light, refracts the light, refracts the light by different amounts, by by
Reflects the
by
light.
by refracts the light. After that, by different amounts. In this way, in this way, starlight, starlight reaching to our eyes, starlight reaching to our eyes increases or decreases, increases or decreases continuously. Starlight reaching to our eyes increases or decreases continuously. Star appears as twinkle. Star appears as twinkle
Sir,
at
continuously.
continuously, and the star appears to twinkle at night. So basically, I told you the starlight first it is the star is very far away from the earth, and when the starlight is reaching to the earth atmosphere, because of the multiple refraction, the starlight goes with the variable density. See, I told you
Yes, sir.
even in the atmosphere the densities are not fixed. Okay, troposphere will have this density or the stratosphere will have this density. Inside the troposphere also, because of the wind, because of the heat, temperature, the density is differences. So because of the continuous change in the differences, the starlight will increase and decrease. So it will look like that the star twinkles. Did you understand? No. कुणाल समझ में आया? कुणाल क्या होता है मैं एक बार बता देता हूँ, एक बार मैं हिंदी में समझा देता हूँ कुणाल को
सर
फटाफट। कुणाल,
कुणाल की इंग्लिश अच्छी
यस सर।
कुणाल सुनो मेरी बात। कुणाल, ये होता है कि हमारी अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर में बहुत सारी
Can
लेयर्स
you
होती हैं।
repeat?
लेयर्स, या आई एम रिपीटिंग इन हिंदी, देन आई विल रिपीट इन इंग्लिश, ओके?
Yes, okay.
लेट मी टीच इन हिंदी। सो कुणाल, क्या होता है कि हमारे अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर में डिफरेंट डिफरेंट लेयर्स ऑफ होते हैं, ठीक है? जैसे अपन ने सीखा था ना, स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर,
हाँ सर,
ट्रोपोस्फेयर,
सिक्स की ज्योग्राफी में
आयनोस्फेयर,
सीखा था सर।
सीखा था ना? तो क्या होता है कि हमारे जो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट लेयर्स होते हैं ना, इनकी डेंसिटी भी अलग अलग होती है। ऐसा हो सकता है ट्रोपोस्फेयर में ज्यादा एयर मॉलिक्यूल्स हो, स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर में कम एयर मॉलिक्यूल्स हो। तो अपन ने देखा था कि लाइट जब
यस
ज्यादा
सर।
रेयर टू डेंसर जाती है तो लाइट बैंड होती है, लाइट बैंड होती है ना? सो
सर
वैसे,
चैप्टर मैंने पढ़ा ही नहीं, लाइट।
हाँ वेरी गुड, तभी तो जब लाइट हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर में आती है, तो ये जो डिफरेंट डेंसिटीज वाली जो एयर है, इसके कारण जो लाइट है हमारी बैंड करती है। क्या करती है लाइट? बैंड करती
बैंड।
है। अब इस लाइट जो हमारे आंखों तक आ रही है, बैंड होकर आ रही है, ये भी फिक्स नहीं होती। उसके अंदर भी एयर के पार्टिकल्स कंटिन्यूअसली मूव करते हैं। और क्योंकि उसके एयर पार्टिकल्स कंटिन्यूअसली मूव करते हैं, तो जो लाइट हमारे सीधा आंखों पे आनी चाहिए थी, वो कभी कभी तेज आती है, कभी कभी कम आती है, कभी तेज आती है, कभी कम आती है। इसके कारण जो स्टार लाइट है, वो हमें लगता है कि वो चमचमा कर रहे हैं, मतलब ट्विंकल कर रहे हैं। समझ में आया? वाई द स्टार ट्विंकल्स? बिकॉज
सर
द
आप
डेंस,
ये सर बायोलॉजी जैसे कर दिया आपने। फिर कभी है ना स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर, फिर डेंसिटी, फिर पार्टिकल, तीनों चीज बता दिया आपने।
वही तो। अब क्या करे बताओ, तुम आए हो इतनी जल्दी, क्या करे बताओ?
नहीं सर, पिछले साल भी था, पिछले साल बायोलॉजी में भी आप यही करते थे।
हाँ।
शुरू
चलो
करते थे, खत्म नहीं होते थे एक ही टॉपिक को।
चलो चलो। अभी ओके, गॉडविन, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस टॉपिक? नो?
Can you,
गॉड,
can you just repeat it?
okay, okay. So the thing is, the starlight star is very far away from the earth. So it is like a point source. Simple as that.
Yes, yes.
Second
Yes.
thing, when the starlight comes into the earth atmosphere, it has different densities of layer, because atmosphere, the densities are not fixed. Okay. Now, when the starlight comes into the Earth atmosphere, it goes multiple refraction. That is correct, because the vacuum which is the space, is doesn't have any molecule, any air molecule. But when it is come to the Earth atmosphere, it has molecule, Earth molecule. Did you understand? Hmm?
Yes.
Okay. Now,
Yes.
because of that, now Earth atmosphere keeps on changing. The Earth density, which was very good, now it becomes very bad. Then again, very good, very bad. Like that, it keeps on changing because of wind, because of temperature, because of climate. Did you understand? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर।
Now, that's why when the starlight which is coming into the Earth atmosphere, it is also changing. It is also increases and decreases with the atmosphere, and we see the star twinkles. Simple as that. Did you understand? Now, write second question. Why the star seems higher than they actually are?
Sir, what was the first question then?
First question was why star twinkles. This is the second question. Why are the stars seems higher than the actually are?
Why are the stars?
Seems higher than they actually are.
Sir, I did not understand the question.
Question is the apparent position of star. Means why the, like for example, the star is this at this position, why it took different, why it looks like it's more higher from the earth. As we check it from the space, the distance is this, but from the earth it look like this. Why? Because of atmospheric refraction. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Write it down, write it down. As the star light enters the earth atmosphere,
As the star
when the starlight enters the earth's atmosphere, it undergoes multiple refraction, multiple refraction, and bend towards the normal, and bend towards the normal.
Sir, after atmosphere.
After that, undergoes multiple refraction, multiple refraction, and bends towards normal each time. It bends
and
towards
bend towards
the normal each time due to the phenomenon called atmospheric reflection. Due to the phenomenon phenomenon called atmospheric reflection.
बस इतना ही
Therefore,
है क्या?
no, therefore, the apparent position of a star is different from actual position. The apparent
therefore
position, the apparent position of the star is different from actual position, is different from actual position, and the star seems little higher, and the star seems little higher when viewed near the horizon. When viewed near the horizon.
And the stars are seen.
Little higher, little higher when viewed near the horizon. When viewed near the horizon. Next, planets do not twinkle. Third question, why planets do not twinkle? Why planets
सर नियर
do
के
not
बाद क्या है?
twinkle?
नियर द
Horizon, Horizon, horizon. Next, why planets do not twinkle? As the planets of large size, as the planet of large size and much closer to the Earth. Now, the line which I'm saying, just do the rectification of that line. Okay. I explained you that before also, like planets is very near to the Earth, and the point source, okay, the one point source, if it will blink off, then rest will be blink on. So it nullify that effect, the twinkling effect. So the stars do not twinkle, planet do not twinkle. So we were there. As planets of large size and much closer to the Earth,
Sir, can you repeat the question? I'm stuck. Why planets do not twinkle?
Yeah. So I am giving you the answer. This is the question. Now I'm giving you the answer. The answer is as planets are of larger size and much closer to the Earth. You wrote that thing?
And much
You
closer
wrote,
to the Earth. Yes, yes,
huh.
yes.
Then stars, they can be considered. Stars, they can be considered as a collection of large number of point-sized source. As the then stars they can be considered. Then stars they can be considered as a collection of large number of point size. As
Collection
the
or connection?
collection
Okay, okay, okay.
collection
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 of
of large number of point size source of light. Source of light.
yes, sir.
The total variation. Next point. The total variation. The total variation in the amount of light. The total variation in the amount of light entering our eye. The total variation in the amount of light entering our eye from all the individual point size. From all the individual point size, which will average out zero. Will average out zero. Will average uh, zero.
Will average.
Will average out zero.
ठीक है
Will average out zero. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Why do these? Okay. Will average out zero. Which nullify the twinkling effect. Which nullify the twinkling effect.
Out zero.
Which nullify the twinkling effect.
Like, can you
Okay,
say
I
the
will
spelling? Which?
nullify Nullif Nullify nullify
Wow.
the twinkling effects. Nullify the twinkling effects.
हाँ sir.
Now I will show you one video which is Khan Sir Academy. You know Khan Academy India. Okay, so I'll show you that video in which they explain it well that one light source and many light source. We'll try to understand that. Okay, so let me
Sir,
share it.
cancer got arrested. Sir.
Yeah, so sad. Anjana Modi. Okay, so where were we?
Twinkle twinkle little.
Yeah. Okay, so we have this video. First, we'll listen and then we'll try to understand it. Okay, turn on your camera. Don't turn off your camera. Okay.
So here is the star. A star pretty much looks like a dot in the sky. But if you were to look at a planet actually appears much bigger in the sky. That's because the planets are much closer to us. Now, although we can't see that with our naked eyes, if you were to use a telescope and look at them, then stars would
Sir,
still look
थोड़ा
like a
slow
dot.
करो ना.
But planets, well, we can actually make out their see the rings of the Saturn and so on. So because planets are much bigger in the sky compared to the stars, we can assume that planets are made up of many such dots. So stars are just single dots, but we can assume that planets are made up of many such dots. And so each of this dot will twinkle just like a star, but because we have many dots, when one of these dots become dim, some other dot will become bright. When that dot becomes dim, some other dot becomes bright. And as a result, when we look at the planet as a whole, the overall brightness doesn't change much or doesn't fluctuate much. We can now actually see this effect in action. I have copied this twinkling dot and pasted it over here several times. So each of these dots are going to twinkle the same way, pretty much the same way. Then we'll zoom out and we'll look at them. All right, so let's play the animation. If you see carefully, you can actually note that all these dots are twinkling the same amount because I've copy pasted them. But now let's zoom out until both of this, the planet and the star, pretty much look like a dot. And you can pretty much see that the brightness of the planet remains almost a constant. That's because on an average, the light from the planet pretty much remains the same. And that's why we can't make out the twinkling effect. Now, if you find it hard to see this on your mobile screen or something, then what we'll do is we'll zoom in a little bit and you can move away from the screen until both of them look like a dot to you. So move away until the star is barely visible and the planet just looks like a dot. And then you can actually see the twinkling effect of the star but not of the planet. So to quickly summarize, we learned that the twinkling effect of the star is caused due to the fluctuations of the atmospheric conditions, which make the starlight bend as it moves towards us, and as a result, the brightness of the star keeps changing. And this means everything that is outside our atmosphere will twinkle, but because planets have a bigger size, the twinkling effect cannot be made out with our eyes. And for the same reason, the sun and the moon also don't seem to twinkle for.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Sir, you are mute.
Did you understand? Na? The stars of that light which is coming in the Earth atmosphere, it is keeps on changing because of the difference in the density of the atmosphere continuously. But the planets, like each point, will nullify the effect of twinkling because it will average out to zero. Like if one point of that planet, if it will not blink, the other will become brighter. So because of that, it will nullify the effect and the planet will not twinkle and the star twinkle. Did you understand, guys? Say yes or no? Now I will give you that advancement and the sunset of the sun. So you guys have to do that as your homework. Write it down the notes. The same notes you have to copy it down. Simple as that. Did you understand, guys? Say yes or no?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed the class then. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Bye bye, Shabak here. Sayonara. I'll send you the folder. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, sir.